Splicing the Grounding Electrode Conductor, or GEC, requires adherence to recognized code methods to ensure a safe and effective grounding system. Two primary methods are commonly employed: mechanical connectors and compression connectors, also known as split bolts. Firstly, let's discuss mechanical connectors. Some of the pros include a permanent connection, high strength and resistance to corrosion, and suitability for both copper and rebar conductors. Some of the cons include requiring specialized tools to install, and being potentially expensive compared to other methods. Secondly, let's talk about compression connectors. Some of the pros include quick and easy installation without specialized tools and affordability. Some of the cons include potentially not providing as secure a connection as mechanical connectors and not being recommended for rebar conductors. In practice, mechanical connectors have been used in both commercial and residential settings. They provide a reliable and permanent connection, particularly in harsh environments. However, it's important to acknowledge that they can be more time-consuming and costly to install. On the other hand, compression connectors offer a quick and convenient solution for splicing the GEC in less critical applications. Their ease of installation with a simple hand tool makes them appealing. However, they are not generally recommended for high amperage circuits or in areas prone to vibration or movement. Several additional factors warrant careful consideration when splicing the GEC. Firstly, the size of the GEC should be appropriately matched to the calculated service conductor size, ensuring adequate grounding capacity. Secondly, splices should be located in areas that are accessible for inspection and maintenance, facilitating future assessments and repairs. Thirdly, environmental factors such as exposure to moisture, chemicals, or vibration can significantly affect the integrity of the splice over time, necessitating appropriate protection measures. For the most secure and reliable connection, especially in demanding environments, mechanical connectors are generally the preferred choice. For quicker and more affordable installations in less critical applications, compression connectors can be a viable option. It is always imperative to follow the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to local code requirements when splicing the GEC to ensure a safe and compliant electrical system.